Now let's look at from chatbot to action taker. Many people think an AI agent is just another chatbot. But an AI agent can do more than answer questions. It can understand a goal. It can plan steps. It can use tools. It can take action in a controlled workflow. In this video, we will explain AI agents simply with real business examples. Now let's look at roadmap of the video. First, we will understand what an AI agent is. Then we will compare chatbots, copilots, and agents. Next, we will learn how an agent works step by step. After that, we will look at tools, memory, planning, and human review. Then we will explore business examples across departments. Finally, we will discuss risks, governance, and how to start safely. Now let's look at what is an AI agent. An AI agent is a system that can work toward a goal. It uses AI to understand the task. It can break the task into smaller steps. It can use tools like search, email, databases, documents, or business apps. It can produce an output or complete part of a workflow. The important idea is action. An AI agent is designed to help move work forward. Now let's look at chatbot versus copilot versus agent. A chatbot mainly answers questions. A copilot helps a user while they work. An AI agent can take a goal and perform steps toward that goal. For example, a chatbot may explain how to create a report. A copilot may help write the report inside an app. An agent may collect data, draft the report, create a summary, and send it for approval. The difference is the level of task execution. Now let's look at how an AI agent works. Most AI agents follow a simple process. First, they receive a goal or trigger. Then they understand the task. Next, they create a plan. Then they use tools or data sources. After that, they generate an answer, update a system, or recommend an action. Finally, a human may review and approve the result. Now let's look at the main parts of an AI agent. An AI agent usually has a few key parts. The first part is the language model that understands instructions. The second part is tools that help the agent act. The third part is knowledge, such as documents, databases, or policies. The fourth part is memory or context. The fifth part is rules and guardrails. These parts work together to make the agent useful and controlled. Now let's look at tools make agents useful. Tools are what make agents practical. Without tools, an agent can only generate text. With tools, it can search documents, read data, create tickets, update records, or call APIs. For example, a support agent can check order status. A finance agent can compare an invoice with a purchase order. A sales agent can summarize CRM information. Tools connect the AI model to real business work. Now let's look at human-in-the-loop control. AI agents should not be allowed to do everything automatically. Some actions need human approval. For example, sending a customer email may need review. Approving a payment definitely needs control. Changing employee data needs strong permission. Human-in-the-loop means people review important outputs before final action. This keeps automation useful but safer. Now let's look at business example 1, Customer Support Agent. A customer support agent can answer customer questions using company knowledge. It can check order status. It can summarize customer history. It can suggest the best response. It can create a support ticket. If the issue is complex, it can hand over the case to a human agent. This helps customers faster while keeping humans for sensitive issues. Now let's look at business example 2, Sales Agent. A sales agent can help sales teams prepare for meetings. It can research the customer. It can summarize past conversations. It can identify open opportunities. It can draft follow-up emails. It can create a short account briefing before a call. The salesperson still reviews the message and owns the relationship. Now let's look at business example 3, Finance Agent. A finance agent can support invoice and reporting workflows. It can read an invoice. It can compare it with a purchase order. It can detect missing information or mismatches. It can draft an exception explanation. It can route the issue to the right approver. This reduces manual checking and speeds up resolution. Now let's look at business example 4, HR Agent. An HR agent can help employees find answers quickly. It can answer questions using approved HR policies. It can guide new employees through onboarding tasks. It can remind people about missing documents. It can draft job descriptions or interview questions. It can recommend training resources. Sensitive HR decisions should always remain human-reviewed. Now let's look at business example 5, IT Helpdesk Agent. An IT Helpdesk Agent can handle common support requests. It can reset routine access requests with approval. It can create and categorize tickets. It can suggest troubleshooting steps. It can check known issues from a knowledge base. It can escalate urgent problems to the right team. This helps IT teams reduce repetitive support work. Now let's look at business example 6, Procurement and Supply Chain Agent. A procurement agent can support supplier and purchasing workflows. It can summarize supplier contracts. It can compare supplier quotes. It can check purchase order and invoice differences. It can draft supplier follow-up emails. It can monitor overdue tasks. It can escalate supply risks before they become bigger problems. Now let's look at business example 7, Marketing Agent. A marketing agent can help teams move from idea to campaign faster. It can analyze customer segments. It can draft campaign messages. It can create content variations for different channels. It can summarize campaign performance. It can suggest next actions based on results. A marketer still reviews brand tone, facts, and strategy. Now let's look at RAG and trusted knowledge. Business agents need trusted knowledge. They should not answer only from general internet-like memory. RAG helps solve this problem. RAG means Retrieval Augmented Generation. It lets the agent retrieve information from approved documents, policies, manuals, or databases. Then the agent uses that information to answer or act. This improves trust when the knowledge sources are reliable. Now let's look at benefits of AI agents. AI agents can reduce repetitive work. They can help employees find information faster. They can improve response time. They can standardize routine processes. They can reduce manual follow-up. They can support better decision-making. The biggest benefit comes when agents are built into real workflows. Now let's look at risks and limitations. AI agents are powerful, but they are not perfect. They can misunderstand instructions. They can use wrong or outdated information. They can make competent but incorrect suggestions. They can create security or privacy risks if permissions are weak. They can also fail when business rules are unclear. That is why governance is essential. Now let's look at how to start safely. Start with one clear business problem. Choose a task that is repeated often. Make sure trusted data is available. Define what the agent can and cannot do. Add human approval for important actions. Measure accuracy, time saved, user satisfaction, and risk. Improve the workflow before scaling to more areas. Now let's look at final recap. Let us recap the full idea. An AI agent is more than a chatbot. It can understand goals, plan steps, use tools, and support actions. Business agents can help customer support, sales, finance, HR, IT, procurement, supply chain, and marketing. But agents need trusted data, permissions, guardrails, and human review. The future is not blind automation. The future is human-led, AI-supported work. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more simple AI explanations. To wrap up, here is the key takeaway. You now have a structured overview of what our AI agents explain simply with business examples. Review the core ideas, connect them to examples, and revisit concepts like from chatbot to action taker, roadmap of the video, what is an AI agent? When practicing. If you can explain the idea in your own words, you have really understood it.